Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on using the gallery view to manage your generated product images. In this video, we'll walk you through accessing the gallery, organizing your content, and exporting them with ease. Once you log into Maker, you'll be directed to your gallery view. Here, you'll see all your generated product images displayed in a grid organized by date. You can scroll through the grid and click on any image to open it in a larger view. Here you'll see additional details like the product name and the prompt used for the generation. On the right-hand side of this preview, you will also have access to the resize tool if the product was trained along with the animate tool. Now, if you scroll down here, you'll also see any previous generations of the same product. Next, let's talk about viewing your animations. All animations can be accessed through the Video tab at the top of the gallery view. To favorite any output, simply locate the image or video you want to mark and click the star icon on it. Once starred, that content will be easily accessible via the Favorites tab in the top navigation bar, giving you a dedicated space to quickly reference your top selections. If you need to export multiple images at once, it's simple. In the gallery view, select the images you want by clicking the checkbox at the top left corner of each image. Once you've made your selection, a download button will appear at the bottom of the screen. Click it, and all your selected images will be downloaded together in a bulk export. And that's it. You've just learned how to access, organize, and export your generated product images using the gallery view. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.